Hello, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm going to walk you through this 2019 Galeon 500 Fly. Starting back on the swim platform, hydraulic, drops down into the water, easy to get your dinghy on and off. If you see, there are some stairs on the opposite side here. They deploy as it goes down, so no matter where you stop the platform, the stairs adjust, making it easy to get in and out of the water. Let's say you want to use that platform for a teak beach, it's a great place to be. This 500 Fly, absolutely enormous storage locker in here. Anything you can think of, whether it comes down to inflatable paddle boards, extra gear, dive gear, snacks, beverages, you name it, you'll have room inside of here. Take our couple of steps into the cockpit. Large, expansive, nice table, little L-shaped seating area. As you can tell, we have the balconies folded down. Gives you really that space that a 70-foot boat would have packaged into this 50-footer. Great boat for entertaining. As we move into the galley, everything you need is right here. You got pull-out refrigerator drawers, lots of storage, cooktop, convection microwave, really everything you need, whether you're entertaining inside the boat or out. The windows open and the sides down, it's to go time. You have a nice flip down sofa, flips over, makes a nice bench facing out, as well as bar stools on the port side. So we move towards the main salon. Very large table. Room for 8 people to hang out, sit, be comfortable, still without that claustrophobic feeling with all the light that you get on either side. With this being a flybridge, there is an upper and lower helm. Both are fully functional. This seat swivels over, be a great place to take the helm. Full electronics package with the Raymarine screen. GPS is in there, radar's in there. Very simple, easy to use. Bow and stern thruster really makes docking an ease. Power plant on this is the Volvo D11s. Great match for this. Good power, good performance, good speed, really everything you come to expect. In conjunction with that, you do have a nice Volvo display. Gives you all the engine management information that you're going to need while you're running. Whether that's exhaust temperature, fuel burn, really anything you need is available there. One thing I did not touch on that I really like about this boat is the pop-up television that comes out. Again, when you're using this for entertaining, you want that view. When you want to watch a movie, you just hunker down for the evening, press a button, comes up, and you can watch. So coming down from the main salon is this large open atrium. That's going to give you access to all 3 staterooms and the 2 heads. Full beam master stateroom. Windows on either side gives you lots of light, lots of headroom. Nice little vanity here, flips open. Great place to get ready for an evening, or comfortable place to work, or just read a book. Queen size island bed. It's easy to access from either side, easy to make in the morning, and again, really gives you some of the comforts of home. You can have some nice storage off the other side, as well as a large hanging locker. And of course, in any master stateroom, you're going to have a nice television as well. Master stateroom has a master head. Nice separate shower stall, vessel sink, vacuum style head. Really a great addition. The VIP stateroom is all the way forward in the V-berth. Lots of light, both on either side and overhead. Storage all throughout, hanging lockers on both sides. Again, a nice queen size island bed with a couple of drawers underneath it. Really a great place for your guests to enjoy themselves. Second head on this boat is both the day head and has a separate entrance to the VIP stateroom. Again, everything you come to expect on a 50-foot boat. Third stateroom is a bunkhouse. It is large enough for 2 adults, but really a great place for kids. Still have a hanging storage locker and some really nice light coming in. Bow seating on this boat, fantastic for a 50-foot boat. Large table so you can put out that nice spread, seating for 6, really an awesome place to watch the sun go down, kick back, and relax, whether you're by yourself or with the family. Easy teak stairs to the access to the bridge. On the enormous bridge, it's another great place to entertain. You have a full-length bimini top so you can get everybody out of the shade but still feel that cool breeze. Part of the entertainment package, grill top, ice maker, sink with hot and cold water, and still a nice place to prep or set out some food. If you need a little extra space, just flip the cushion, add 2 more spots to really add to the party. The aft portion of this bridge has a large U-shaped seating with a table that flips open. The upper helm of this Galeon has full functionability, whether it's the stereo, Volvo display, same Raymarine screen, bow and stern thruster, and binnacle box. Everything you need to safely run the boat. The nice thing is the captain is not alone when he's sitting up here. Lots of seating all the way around him for co-pilot and guests, with an enormous bow pad for those that want to feel a little wind in their hair and sun on their face. 2019 Galeon 500 Fly. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to get you on this vessel, out on the water, so you can really see what it's all about.